I deeply believe that you can have a joyous education experience that is very, very nurturing and be in an environment that's very academically motivating and stimulating. This was my concept in 2011, 15 years ago when I started the school. I believed in my heart that it would work. Now, after 15 years, we know it works. It's completely individualized for each student, where we look at where they're at and what they're learning, and then we move them forward from there to get traction in a way that makes sense for their learning style and is meaningful for them. When students feel safe, it is so spectacular because that's when they really, really take risks in their learning. Our class sizes are 12 kids or fewer, so that really, really allows the teachers to get to know the students in depth and deeply individualize what they're working on in the room for each student. At Appamada School, students are really able to begin taking responsibility and being a part of the decision-making process of how their education unfolds. In our junior high and high school, students are able to choose their classes based on what they're passionate about and what they're interested in. When you have students that feel safe, that trust their teachers, the alchemy of that is amazing. It's so much fun. So number one question I get is, well, can my child go to a school that doesn't have grades and still get into college? The answer is yes. These colleges recognize that students who have the flexibility to study what they're passionate about and interested in, they'll choose a college based on what that college specializes in. And our students are having tremendous success getting into the colleges that they're applying to. Students spend a lot of time on school. Shouldn't it be joyous?